Today I'd like to present Taskette, now hosted at taskette.vercel.app. So let me quickly give the context as to what the PPAM of Taskette is. Taskette's PPAM is basically as follows. The people we're trying to help are aspiring software engineers. The problem that we're trying to fix is basically aspiring software engineers need to prep for technical interviews. The way they go about this is through practicing different problems. These problems, however, may not always have hints, and so as a result, if they get stuck, the only way they can proceed with their problem solving is to look at the answer, which spoils the entire problem solving process. My approach, or Taskette's approach, is to use generative AI to ingest the problem and the user's thoughts and generate hints to guide them along the process, much like in an interview. And the metrics we're trying to measure are the number of hints we generate, as well as eventually the number of successful problems we help the user solve. Let me show you some of our updated designs. They really split into three different parts. The first is our landing page, which you can see right here, which explains what Taskette is. After the user hits try it out, they can now actually provide some input. This is the second stage. They can provide the type of problem they're trying to solve, as well as some details about what they're trying to solve, as well as their current thoughts. I'm going to copy and paste in a lead code problem on dynamic programming called Triangle, which I myself was having some trouble on. And my current code doesn't really work, so I don't have any current thoughts for now. Let's hit submit and see what happens. Our next state is then a loading state, which facilitates our backend request. And then lastly, this is our final state where we can see a hint that was generated, and I know how this problem is ultimately solved, and this hint is very relevant to the actual solution. In short, this is our Taskette's updated designs. There are some next steps in terms of adding additional problem types, as well as maybe creating additional chat dialogue with your mock fake interviewer hosted on Taskette. But yeah, this is the current designs, at least for Homework 11. Thank you so much for your time.